What's up guys, Seb here from Wolf Media, and in today's video we've got a pretty exciting little video all about how to level up your email campaigns whenever you're adding boring static images. I'm going to show you how you can level this up really quickly and really easily, and what this is going to do is just enhance your click-through rate when it comes to your emails. So yeah, let's go ahead and start things off. So first things first, what you want to do is go ahead and record a bunch of video clips of you doing different GIF movements. So for example, pointing up, pointing to the side, pointing down, whatever you want it to be. So here we've got a few examples from Kevin. You can see here in this one, he's just giving the thumbs up. Here we've got one of him where it's pointing down, all of that sort of stuff. So what we're going to do is go ahead and download one. So I'm going to download the one where it says Kevin pointing to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and download this, and essentially all it is just a video clip of Kevin. So nothing special has been done to this video just yet. But what we're going to do from here is go ahead and open up a new tab, and then we're going to go to unscreen.com, just like this. Should be the first link. So remove video background. Essentially what this is going to do is it's going to remove the video background, and it's also going to turn this into a GIF. So super all-in-one tool where it's going to do two things for you in literally a matter of minutes. You just have to fill in this little captcha thingy just to verify you're not a robot. And you can see it's already at 50%. It's removed the background already. It's insanely fast. And there we go. We now have a GIF of Kevin pointing to the right. So what we're going to do from here is go ahead and download this. So go ahead and do that. Boom, done. Give it a quick preview if you want. There we go. We've got a GIF of Kevin and the background's been removed. Now from here, what we're going to do is go ahead and open up canva.com. Now don't worry if you don't have a pro Canva account, you can do everything I'm going to be showing you in a free account. But if you do want to go ahead and try Canva out and get a free trial for the pro version, then we'll leave a link to that in the description down below. But from here, what you want to do is just type in YouTube thumbnail, just like this. And essentially all we want is a blank canvas. So we're going to type that in. You can choose whatever thumbnail you want, but we're going to do a blank canvas right here because we're doing this for our email marketing purposes. And this is going to be an asset that we can use consistently for all of our next emails when it comes to announcing a video. So this one's going to be more specific to videos, but you can do it to however you like. So essentially what we want to do is just drag in our GIF that we've just created. So here we have a GIF of Kevin pointing. You can rotate it, you can do whatever you want. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into the element section, and we just put play button, just like this. And then you can either find an animated one if you want, or you can just have a basic one. So let's put that one in just like that. So we're going to have that, and then we'll put that in nice and big. And then what we can also do is add some text. If we bring this up just like that, we can go watch my sweet new video, just like that. We can change the format, so just like that, and then we'll also make it a little bit bigger. And then boom, that's done. You can change the color if you want. So for example, let's just keep it on theme. We'll keep it red, so it stands out. And then what we're going to do is you can see that it is actually a GIF. So it's turned it into a 5.6 second video. So we're going to click on the download button, and we're going to change the format to GIF, just like that. We're going to press download. And then here's where the magic actually happens. We're going to import this into Wolfio, into our email marketing campaigns, and we're going to make this a clickable link. So now that my download has finished with Canva, we can give it a quick preview, but essentially it looks like this. You can animate this however you want, but essentially this is just going to be a GIF that we can use in multiple different emails whenever we've got a brand new video coming out, and just makes it really interactive. So from here, what we're going to do is head over to wolfio.io, go ahead and sign into your account if you have one. And if you haven't, once again, you can press on get started, and you can create a free account for 14 days, no credit card required. So I'm going to log into the demo account just for the purposes of this video. We're going to head over to emails and then campaigns, and then we're going to create a new campaign. So we'll just call it my new video announcement, just like this. Next, and then here you got a bunch of different templates you can select from. So for example, let's use this one. And then here you can customize the text however you like. You can add your link of your YouTube video, but what we're going to do here is actually delete this, and then we're going to import our brand new media that we just created. So we're going to import our GIF just like this, and that's going to upload into Wolfio. And then here you can see we've got the GIF. We're going to press use this media, press save, and then what we want to do is just resize this. Now you can change the size in Canva, but I forgot to do that. But essentially here we have an animated GIF which we imported into our email. What we're going to do from here is we're actually going to head over to YouTube, and we're going to copy the link of one of our videos. So right click, copy link, and then we're going to come back to Wolfio. We're going to change this link right here. And then what we're going to do from here is actually click on the image right here. And then we're going to click on this little keychain thing, insert our link, and we can open in current window or new window, whatever you want. Press save. So what we've actually done here to level up our marketing game is that we've changed it from a static image and we've actually made it a GIF, and it's just interactive. It's like, watch my new sweet video, or click here to watch my brand new video. So it's just another way that you can level up your email marketing to keep it standing out from the rest of the crowd, because a lot of people literally will just import their thumbnail and that's it. What you can do to level this up even further is have your actual thumbnail. So we spoke about this on Canva. If we go to templates, you can click on your thumbnail and then you can just animate this however you want. So if you had a different GIF, so for example, let's import the GIF of Kevin. We'll remove this guy, we'll pretend it's us. And I believe we can flip this somehow. Yeah, flip horizontally, boom. There you go, we've just leveled up our thumbnail just like that. So now I've got an animated GIF of our thumbnail. You can remove yourself. Obviously this will require a little bit more work, but it just really does level up your game. If you've got a huge email list, people are gonna notice that your pictures are moving. They're gonna go ahead and click on that, and then they can go straight to your YouTube video. So that's a crazy little hack you can do to level up your email marketing. I hope you did enjoy this. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.